wait to eat here. When it's not good, yeah. Last off-road and we get to eat here. And I remember a part was bad for Uncle Reed's and Mommy. Mommy didn't sleep in there. Oh yeah, Mommy. Uncle Reed's. This is Daddy, Uncle Reed's, me and Logan. Mommy has some good time. We have some boys and boys. Ah! This is awesome. Hey, can I tell Mommy something? This is awesome. Mr.
Yeah,
Walkie-talkie.
hang on a minute.
Please. Me too. Come in, Mom. Can I say that, Uncle Reeds?
Hang on a minute.
Can I have the walkie-talkie? Please? And say, this is awesome. Can I please? Uncle Reeds?
Hang on a minute.
In a minute?
Yeah, in a minute.
Yeah. Huh? In a minute. Or an hour. How would I go different? I need to come in there. Hey! Get out of the leaf! Any more flowers?
Ready?
Yes, no, I want to
Listen.
Mom, this is awesome. Auntie, I want to tell her something.
You say this was awesome?
Yeah. I want to.
Sit.
We get to eat here too.
Did what?
We get to eat here. We get to.
They get to eat here.
Oh.
I'm bleeding. Ah! This is not the fun part. Ah.